Day 19 of the Reclaiming Wellness National Nutrition Month Challenge. 30 days to improving your nutrition and get you building healthy living habits in 60 seconds or less. Today's tip is to embrace herbs that help you break down nutrients and absorb them properly into your bloodstream. The best, in my experience, are probably a blend of 3 culinary herbs that you probably heard of before: cumin, coriander, and fennel. Use all 3 together. You can put them in equal amounts in about 2 or 3 cups of water, boil them, strain them, and then drink that. It's a fantastic tonic to help you not just break down nutrients, absorb them properly, and eliminate the excess debris that does not belong in your beautiful body. There's many others, and you might want to research them as well. But that's it. That is the tip for today. Make sure that you tag a friend and that you follow me so that you don't miss the rest of this amazing challenge. Until then, see you tomorrow.